Today we have reached a major milestone in the restoration of number 576. Today, after 2 years of hard work, we are finally putting the wheels back underneath the locomotive to start the reassembly phase of the restoration. We like to think of this project as the restoration of Ryman Auditorium. You know, it had seen greener days. A lot of people thought it was past its prime, but thankfully, local artists got together to save the Ryman. They saw the potential. They did the meticulous work of restoring that building brick by brick, and today is one of Nashville's absolute treasures and landmarks. That's the same with 576. We are taking our time to look over every single piece to make sure everything is in proper working order for when we steam it up and get it back on the rails. A day like today would not be possible without the help of our restoration partners, Clark Crane, FMW Solutions, the Tennessee Central Railway Museum, R.J. Corman, and the Nashville Eastern Railroad for all coming together to make this happen. This year is also special in the restoration of 576 because it marks 70 years since the locomotive was saved from the scrapper's torch and dedicated in Centennial Park. That became a backdrop for so many family pictures, so many country music albums, and became a staple of Centennial Park. And we are looking forward to carry on that tradition of 576 being a Nashville attraction, but this time a living, breathing, tangible piece of the city's history. On September 16th, we're really excited to offer 2 fundraiser events that will both help the restoration of the locomotive as well as get a sneak preview of what's to come in a couple of years through a train ride on the Nashville Eastern Railroad. So people will get a chance to know the route that number 576 will travel once operational. To learn more and get tickets about the events, go to nashvillesteam.org. The Road to Revival, this is one of our last stops before you enter that last mile of the restoration and the reassembly phase. We have 2 major tests coming up, the hydro test on the boiler as well as the steam test, to where we can get this operational and finally hear 576's encore performance. All of the work we're doing here is really just an investment back into the community, with tourism opportunities, economic benefits, and cultural opportunities to tell the full story of Nashville's history. We wouldn't have been able to get this far with the restoration had it not been the outstanding support from all of our donors, our volunteers, everyone behind the scenes that does all the small facets that you don't see to make this locomotive operate again. It's just really a team effort that we want to thank everyone for doing their part.